Yes, let's talk about the color wheel. Do you know anything about it? So, we'll tell you certain things what you have to mind it very well while you create your color combination in your picture. So, we had a talk in a class also. This is the video what will help children to revise it because I'm going to ask it few questions before I go ahead with the new project. So, mind it that. Very well. 1, 2, and 3. They are the gifted by nature to us yellow, red, and blue. They are the primary color. You must be know very well because you must have learned in your school, your other classes, or maybe in your art book somewhere it has mentioned. Why does they call the primary color? Because you have a no chance, you have a no choice to make it ever again with any other combination. So remember yellow, red and blue. They are the primary colors. What happens when we mix these primary colors with each other? We get some new color. Look at here. When we mix yellow and blue, we get the green. Same way. Look at here. When we mix the red and yellow, we get the orange one. Same way, when you mix the red and blue, you get the violet color. So remember, what does they call? They call the secondary color. Out of mixing of the primary, when we get the new color, they call the secondary color. So remember, green, orange and violet, they are the secondary color. What happens when we mix the primary and secondary? Look at here very well. When you mix the orange and yellow, what do you get? Yellow orange. Same way when you mix the orange and red, what do you get? Red orange. Same way when you mix the further, look at your red and violet, red violet. Violet and the blue, you get the blue violet. Same way when you mix the blue and green, you get the blue green. And lastly, yellow and plus green. Yes. Tell me the name. Yellow green. Okay. So this is the color wheel what help us to get understand which colors are the friends with each other, what we mix with each other. Look at the neighborhood color. They are the friends. Like for yellow, you can see the orange, yellow and yellow green. They are the friends. Same way when you see over here violet, blue red or a violet blue, they are the friends. Same way when you see over here next to each other. So we have started with the one project. We're going to get the color in it. So you remember this very well. Now some more tips. Look at here. You never ever mix the color opposite the color wheel. Look at it. Yellow you don't mix with the violet color. You don't mix the red to the green. You don't mix the orange to the blue. They call the complementary color. What do they call? Complementary color. Means they looks next to each other very well. But when you mix it, you get the some gray tone or a dark tone or a dull tone. But remember in art, nothing is a waste. It can help you to get the shadow color. Okay, now further one more things. Can you see the 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels over here? 4 wheels. What does they call? How does they stand? They stand for, let me take it in a some darker. Okay, you can look at your first wheel when you see the first wheel, they look so brighter. Why does they look brighter? Because they have no any white and black or a gray in it. That's why they call the hue color. What? Pure color or a hue color. So which color when you see in the around, see this helps you when you see reference of the realistic places, play any pictures, you have to know na okay, how do you get the color, how that colors have get made. So you need this color wheel to buy heart for that. But you don't need to learn like your study. You just have to use it in a day-to-day art. You will remember easily. Same way look at here the second wheel when you see second wheel. It has a lots of light tone in it. So how does they consider? They consider as a tint color. What? Tint color. Means every color plus white color called the tint color. Thus simply you may use the word pastel color. That is modern what children use it. Third circle. You can see the dull color than this two. Yeah? Why? Because it has a gray in it. Gray means black and white. What? Any color plus black and white. That's called gray tone. That is the tone shade. What? Tone shade. Now lastly when you see that looks more darker than rest of three. So what does it that mean? That's called shade color. Means any color plus black and white. Any color plus black and white. Okay. Sorry. I'm taking my word back. It has a only shade means any color plus black. Means any color plus black. So all colors get divided into 4 parts. Hue, tint, tone and shade. Remember that very well. And please recollect it Study well and come back when we have a next class. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.